It's gardeningtime.com. It's early autumn in the mid-Atlantic area of the USA. We're bordering on 6B and 7A zone. We had a cold front come through last night, and we have some storm damage on our Ferry-Morse Marigolds. We had one branch break. But we still have blooms. Temperatures aren't too cold yet. It feels about 60. We're going to find out how hardy these Ferry-Morse marigolds are during the next few weeks. Ferry-Morse marigolds suffering a little storm damage, but no worse for the wear at itsgardeningtime.com.